Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to delve into the wonderful world of nut milks. Yes, you heard it right, nut milks. A fantastic dairy-free alternative that you can make right in your own kitchen. First things first, the star of the show, the nuts themselves. Almonds, cashews, hazelnuts, take your pick. Each one boasts a unique flavor profile and nutritional benefits. Almonds, for instance, are rich in vitamin E, while cashews are a fantastic source of magnesium. Hazelnuts, they're packed with heart-healthy fats. Now, on to the process. Step 1. Choose and measure out your nuts. A cup will suffice, but remember, more nuts, more flavor. So feel free to be a bit generous. Step 2. Rinse those babies. Give your chosen nuts a thorough rinse under cool running water. This will remove any dust or impurities. Step 3, and here comes the fun part, soaking. This is crucial. Soak your nuts in water. 2 cups should do the trick. Leave them to bask and soften for about 8 hours or overnight for the best results. Step 4, after the soaking, you'll notice your nuts have plumped up nicely. Finally, rinse them one more time. Step 5, blend. Combine your soaked and rinsed nuts with 4 cups of fresh water in a blender. Blend until smooth and creamy. Step 6, the final step, strain. Pour your blended mixture into a nut milk bag or cheesecloth over a large bowl or jug. Squeeze out as much liquid as you can. What you're left with is smooth, creamy nut milk. And voila! You've got yourself homemade nut milk. The leftover pulp, don't throw it away. It's a fantastic addition to smoothies, oatmeal, or even homemade granola. The beauty of this process is that you can customize it. Want a touch of sweetness? Add a date or two during the blending process, or maybe a hint of vanilla or a sprinkle of cinnamon. The possibilities are endless. Remember, homemade nut milk is not only a healthier alternative to store-bought versions, but it's also a fun, easy way to add a personal touch to your meals. Thank you, lovelies, for spending this time with me. I hope you've enjoyed our little adventure into the world of nut milks. Stay curious, stay adventurous. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more exciting and informative videos.